Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit of a review on the product that I bought from the Dollar Tree. So I paid $1.25 for this product. So this is called a Super Berry Glow Boosting Clay Mask. So when I was looking for a clay mask for my face, I am thinking of the clay mask that would really firm my skin. You know, I'm old and I want to look for a product that would firm my skin even just a little bit. So I've been using another product. I will not say the product anyway, but I've been using one product that is also a clay mask, but it really tightens my skin. So I ran out of the product that I've been using, and I went to the dollar store which is nearby my house, and tried to look for a clay mask also that I can use. You know, it's not the price, but it's if it is good for my skin, and it would help me in maintaining my skin. Why not? You know, cheap or not is it doesn't matter for me. So here I chose this Super Berry Glow Boosting Clay Mask, which I thought that if I put it on my face, it will really tighten my skin. But I'll show you how it works. So this is the color. It is late already because I thought my video is playing, but it's not, and I've been talking here, but my video is not playing. But anyway, I'll show you the color of this product, of this clay mask. They call it clay mask actually. So it is pinkish, and as I have been talking here on my video, that when I put it on my skin, I feel a little bit of tingling on my skin. It's maybe because of the kojic acid. It says here clay mask with kojic acid. So it's maybe the kojic acid that makes my skin. I feel a little bit of it's like menthol on my skin. I don't know. It's you can feel like really there's an acid on this product. But I've been using it already for 2 days, and it seems like it's okay because I didn't have an allergy. Usually I'm allergic to I easily get an allergy to any product that my skin will not tolerate. I easily get an allergy, but I did not get an allergy on this product. And I don't know, maybe I will continue using this product to really see if it's working on my skin, because every day I usually put clay mask on my face. So there is a product that I have been using that really tightens my skin because I am old and I want to maintain in tightening my skin. You know, we don't want to take care of our wrinkles. We don't want to have lots of wrinkles. So as long as we can maintain and help our skin to not have that lots of aging skin. I usually put white eggs on my face also in the morning, and you know, while preparing breakfast, and I'm preparing an egg breakfast. So you know, the egg whites that is left on the shell of the eggs, I put that on my face while preparing my breakfast. I do that also. Or if not, I usually put the face clay mask. It's another product, but I like it because it really tightens my skin. When it dries up, it really tightens my skin. But with this one here, with this product here, it doesn't really tightens my skin when it dries up. It doesn't really tightens my skin like the other product that I have. But maybe I would like to try the effect of the kojic acid on this product. It might help also on my skin to glow a little bit. So I'm hoping for that with this product, since I've been using only for 2 days, and I think right now I can say I don't have any negative negative comments about this product. So I will continue using this. I bought this in the dollar store anyway for $1.25. If my skin will improve with this product, then I'll continue using this product. So as I have said, it doesn't really tightens the skin, and when you rinse it, it is just like anyway, I'll show you when I rinse it. So I will just wait until the product dries up on my face and we will rinse it. So this is how it looks like when it dries up. It doesn't really tighten the skin, as I have said, like the other product that I've been using, the clay mask that I've been using. So this just, when it dries up, it looks like just a soap, you know, the regular soap that you dries up on your skin. That's how it feels there. It doesn't really tighten the skin, so it's just like a regular soap. So now we're going to wash it. Okay. So when you wash it, it looks like just a soap actually. There. So it looks like that. So it doesn't really looks like a clay, but it's like a soap. So maybe the effect of this product is just only for the kojic acid. You know, the kojic acid that you can just let it dries up into your skin to have its effect. There, so it just looks like regular soap. There, that's how it looks like when you rinse it off. There. Yeah. It's like soap actually. So there it is. I rinsed it off already. So it's okay. Skin is soft. And I might continue using it. It might help brighten my skin anyway because of the kojic acid in it. So I might continue using it. So that's it for our review for today about the what do you call this, Super Berry Glow Boosting Clay Mask. There it is. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.